There was once a young creator named Alex who dreamed of becoming a YouTube sensation. They had talent, a quirky personality, and endless ideas, but their channel sat at a discouraging 30 subscribers. One day, Alex decided to go all in and crack the code to YouTube growth. First, Alex revamped their channel, adding a slick banner and a description that screamed value. They zeroed in on a niche, DIY hacks for small apartments, and started creating short, snappy videos that solved real problems like 5 ways to maximize closet space. Each thumbnail was colorful and impossible to scroll past, but Alex didn't stop there. They noticed trending videos on storage ideas and hopped on the wave, uploading a clever take within 24 hours. To boost discoverability, Alex sprinkled keywords in the title and description, added hashtags, and even made a shorts version for extra reach. The turning point came when Alex collaborated with a bigger YouTuber who loved their content. That video exposed Alex to thousands of new viewers. Simultaneously, Alex promoted their videos on TikTok and Instagram, where quick teasers drove curious users straight to the channel. In just 3 weeks, Alex hit 10,000 subscribers. The comments were flooded with questions, and Alex always replied, keeping the audience engaged and loyal. With consistent uploads and a knack for understanding trends, Alex didn't just gain followers, they built a thriving community. What started as a daunting dream became a growing success, all thanks to strategy, persistence, and a touch of creativity. Gaining followers on YouTube quickly requires a mix of strategy, consistency, and engagement. Here are some effective tips. Optimize your channel with a catchy name and branding, create high-quality content focusing on a niche, leverage trends, optimize for search with SEO, collaborate with other YouTubers, promote across platforms, engage your audience, use YouTube Shorts, post consistently, and consider using paid promotions. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.